Okay guys, here's this 2016 GTI thinking about selling. Just gonna do a walk around. The black Pretz won't come with it. I got some stock CC wheels and tires that I'll throw on it just to keep it as a roller. That way it'll get you on a trailer, but this does need an engine rebuild. Let's go around it and look at it. Really no major damage. As you can tell, it's a really clean car for the year 2016 on the two-door. The one thing it does have is that it has these I don't know if you can see the line here. It's got that protective film, which I don't care for. It yellows and gets dirt under it, so you can kind of see there a little dirt spot. There's another spot right here where it seamed it. It's dirt. Another spot right there. If it wasn't for that, it'd probably be a lot cleaner. It's got one up here on the roof, and you can just tell that line right there. That's why I don't like to use that stuff, but just wanted to show you guys some of that. So it's got the carbon fiber caps, wind guards up top. It had a carbon fiber cover here. I didn't like that. That's too ricey. The mirrors aren't bad because it kind of blends in with the black and the tint. It's got some cool tail light cover. I don't know if you can see it in the sunlight, but it kind of rainbows. It's okay, not too ghetto. But here's the back. It's got the rear deflector. I took the front one off because it was one of those goofy looking ones that have the torsion bars kind of holding it on. That's just kind of too ricey. I get some people like that stuff, but it's not me. Let's take a peek on the inside. It's real clean on the inside. You wouldn't really think this car had 100,000 miles on it. And here's the gauges right there, so you can see the miles pop up. 6-speed manual. There's the cobb. Seats all in good shape. This one's starting to wear right there, barely. There's the rear, but not too bad. Let's check the trunk. It's wired for a stereo system, but I took that out. Let's see what else. Let's pop the hood real quick. So here's the engine bay. They threw decals under the hood. There were decals on the car itself. I took most of them off. Again, that just kind of rices it up. One day kids will learn. But your intake, cold air intake, got an oil catch cam. There's your downpipe, turbo. Hard to see in the video, but it's got clutch, upgraded clutch, and then it's got some aluminum linkages kind of down in there. I don't know if you can get it on the video. I did replace the lower honeycomb grill and the upper. They had it to where they wanted to show the intercooler in there, you know, young kids. So that I put back to stock. I didn't like that at all. That's her. If you guys have any questions on you guys that are really interested in it, don't hesitate to message me, or if there's anything else I didn't show in the video or can get a picture of, I'd be glad to do it for you. It's got the little rear deflector too up top. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a good day.